Good morning, guys. I hope you actually enjoying our weekend. I have a blessed weekend. Tomorrow being a work-free day, I also hope you're going to enjoy it. I actually upgraded my trading signals into videos. So from henceforth, I'll begin up videos in respect to my trade signals so that it can be well equipped and much more understandable. And as you guys know, from henceforth, I'll be doing my progress program. So which means from henceforth on the free group, we'll be sending just about two signals on a weekly basis. So if you want to enjoy much of my signals, you have to join my broadcast program to enjoy this. You can see the new platform I'm using is very compact, very okay, and you can see it is a platform which you can easily understand how things being done. Not to waste most of our time, let's go straight into what we need to do today. I'm going to do analysis on this is basically on euro dollar, pound dollar, and possibly either dollar yen or EUD USD. Let's go into euro dollar first. If you look at euro dollar, last week price actually moved to the upside as I actually projected for the signal I gave last week, and price gets to this level. After getting to the level, price was able to break that level, and price actually came down. You could see at this point, you could see a counter pattern here, which actually make it more possible for us to actually sell to downside. And looking at it, actually, for this week, I'm seeing a down move in euro dollar due to the little bit strength in DXY. There's little strength in USD, which is going to give more strength to Euro USD to the downside. So what I'm looking at is just like if you let's take a look at a daily chart. On a daily chart, you could see price actually move down here. If you look at on our weekly chart down here, let me pick a weekly chart here. You could see an inside bar candle. It's an inside buy candle, telling us that price is still going to do what? Move to the downside. So we're actually seeing price going to the downside. And how am I going to pick my entry to the downside? We can't just play the trigger like that, and at the point our price keep moving down. We need to wait for what? A retracement before we pick a sell. So with this, we need to go what? Go to a 4 hours chart. This is a 4 hours chart. And if I reduce my 4 hour chart, I did a trend line here. You could see the trend line. You could see the trend line here cutting across this level. And I'm looking at 1.20558, which is more or less a key level. You could see its key level here. You could see it here. You could see it here. You could see price rejecting here. Price gets here. Is more or less a resistance level turned to a support level. You could see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm waiting for price to move back to this level to 1.20558 as our entry back to this place. And from then, if you see a price action, that's what I keep telling you guys, we need to wait for a price action before we pull the trigger. Either you wait for what? A shooting star, you wait for what? An hanging man, you wait for a doji before you pull your trigger. Don't say because I said you are selling at 20 points 558, and because of that you put a trigger, you're on your own. Could you say because of that I was the one that actually make you to make your losses? You need to wait for a precise point to pull that trigger, but sometimes price might break above and price could continue moving to the upside. And considering counter pattern more or less tell us the feelings of the market factors in the market. It tells us what they are more or less what they are doing in the market. So it gives us a direction which next what we're going to do. So at this point, I will be selling euro dollar at 1.20558. So now I'll be using my stop loss as the next resistance level. Next resistance level as my stop loss, which is going to be 1.2111. Let me put a line on it. 1.211 horizontal line. 1.211. 1.211. Let me edit it. 1.211. 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 So you can see it. This is our stop loss, and you can see is more or less the next resistance level. You can see it here, see it here. You can see it here. Price get here, came down at the same time. So likewise the same thing. Our TP, let me look at TP. Our TP is going to be 19562, 1.19562, 1.19562, 1.19562. Let me just edit it. 1.1919562, 562, 562. So these are take profit, these are entry point, and these are what our stop loss. So I'm looking for price to come in. Even if you look at it, look at it very well. This level is also what is also a key level. So most of the time I trade on key levels to pick my entry, to pick my TP, to pick my my stop loss. That's for Euro USD. Let's move to Pound USD. Pound USD. Sorry, Pound USD. I'm also the same thing on Pound USD. Let's move for 4 hours charts. Rather daily charts, rather. You could see a trend line. You could see a trend line here. There's a trend line here, capping price down. They actually cap price down. The trend line here, that cap price down. See it here. Trend line that actually cap price down. That is rejecting price to the upside. So to pick our entry now, generally if you look at it now, Pound USD is also on a down lane, also going down. Because if you look at the way the candle closed last week, it's only closed bearish. Let's take a look at the 1 week chart too. It's also closed bearish. You can see it. See a shooting star pattern upper week and upper week, and this is last week. This is a shooting star pattern. You see price actually was expected this trend line. Price expected the trend lines. So we're more or less looking for what a down move in pound USD. So let's come down to our daily chart back and see. You can see the price also rejected this side, respected it, and there's a bank move down. So to pick our entry, we need to come down to 4 hours chart. Remember, weekly chart is telling us down, daily chart is also telling us down. So to pick our entry, we need to come down to 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart, and that is it. So I'm expecting price to move back to the upside, at least to 1.38530. 1.38530. At least let me break horizontal line. 1.38530. 1.38530. 1.38530. 1.38530. Sorry. 1.38530. Sorry. 530. So I'm looking for price to get to this level. Price move to this level. Then after price gets to this level, we're going to do what? We're going to sell down. Because if you look at this level also, this level is what? Is a key resistance level. You can see it. Price gets here, move down. Price break out. Immediately breaking, the price came back into it again. You could see it. You could see it. You could see it. So I'm seeing price to what? To come back to this level. And I'm looking at the next resistance level as well as my stop loss, which is 39096. 39096 should be around this level. Yeah, 39096. 9096. Yeah. Oh, so this is gonna be my stop loss. You could see it. That is the almost upper edge of the previous resistance level from where price actually came down and took it at this level very well. Then my TP is going to come. The next resistance level is going to be around 1.37520. 37520 is going to be my TP. Let me pick my line again for my TP, my horizontal line. My TP, that is 37520. 37520. 37520. Sorry, let me just delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, let me pick it. It's going to be 37520. 37520. So this is our TP. This is our entry point, our stop loss, and likewise our TP. The last one I'm going to do the dollar yen. Dollar yen is going to be the last signals I'm going to give. I could see dollar yen actually break out from this level. Let me go back to our daily chart. The daily chart back. We see it. The price was actually keeps pulling up after there was a rejection at this level here. And you can see price actually went to the upside. So we're actually buying a dollar yen because I'm seeing a strength in dollar all through this week. Because going back by the treasury bills at the same time the DXY. DXY is actually propelling back to the upside and moving back. And if DXY is actually moving up, which more or less means there's a strength in US dollar. So I'm more or less buying US dollar throughout this week. And from there, USDPY is going to be a good buy for us. In fact, all EM pairs throughout this week, I am buying all EM pairs. EURJPY, Dollar JPY, AUJPY, SSDJPY, CAD JPY, all EM pairs all through. I am more or less buying them all through because I'm seeing some more or less weakness in yens across board. But if you my in my progress program, you will get all this analysis straight to your phone easily. All these pairs is what I've actually analyzed. About 30 pairs, I've done that already. And for those who are not part of the program, you just have the opportunity of getting just two to three trade signals on a weekly basis, and even more than that. So let's just continue on USDPY. USDPY, I am actually looking at USDPY. I'm actually looking at sorry, just a moment. Okay, guys, sorry for the interruptions. I need to change my power source. Oh, my battery is actually going down. On the dollar yen, you see I plotted my entry already. What actually I'm actually expecting for is price to actually come down here. Price come down here to this level, which is going to be my entry. This is my entry. Price gets here. Price gets here. I need to adjust this. Price gets here. Then from there, rejected. And from there, move here. That's my projection. That's my projection. Price gets here rejected at this level. At this level, I'm moving. This is my entry level. This is my TP, and this is going to be my stop loss. I'm just doing this trade analysis for us, in which I'm very sure they're going to give us a good profit. If you want to pay part of my broadcast program, you can private chat me via WhatsApp and let us discuss on it. Thank you so much and have a very peaceful week.